definitely some noise coming from that back wheel. You hear it?
Got a problem, I think, mate.
So if you watched the video the other day, Christmas tree lights on the dashboard.
There's about 6 or 7 faults. Yeah, we'll go and get them sorted.
We'll get it sorted today. So what's the first problem?
So we starting at the front or the back? The back, right. So the first problem is every time you turn the car on, it comes up with like number plate lights out, fog light left, fog light right's out.
Every time you get in this car, there's a new light on the dash.
And I think there's another bulb out. The boot latch thing, you know, the electric boot latch. I don't know why I did that then, that's a bit weird, isn't it? The boot latch doesn't work, so you have to use the key to open the boot all the time. Johnny's having a little look. He said there's a few wires that have cracked over time and been sort of masking, insulating, taped up. So he's going to have a look at that job. That's like a 10-minute job for Johnny. It's mustard, isn't it?
Easy.
Looks like that's been repaired before. See all the black electrical tape on it.
Previous
Not,
repair.
yeah, not the factory.
Right, okay.
Going here first, just in case it is something here first. Yeah, that one's got tape around it. That one has. So we've got 3 out of the 7 wires in here have been repaired before.
So Jimmy here is throwing a spanner in the works. Johnny's only been on this 10 minutes. Do you want a kebab?
I know it's going to be dinner break in a minute already, isn't it?
Do you want a kebab or not?
Do I? No, I'm an athlete, mate. That is that actual solder, that? Why has it gone white? It looks knackered, that, doesn't
Are you
it?
sure you've not been soldering this in the past?
I don't even know how to use a solder, mate.
Right, so light on,
So move that.
light off.
Oh yeah? What are you moving?
That
Off.
earth.
So that's the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I know what you're going to say to me now.
But
You found several breaks in the earth wire.
is that because we agreed to say this off camera and then say it on camera? So what Johnny's done is he's literally chopped this out, both ends, put one single bit in, so now there's just 2 joins either end.
Like factory, like a factory finish.
Almost, but he's done a proper job of it, not like what we'd do. I reckon one more, Sean, you'll be there.
Another one.
Go on.
What happens if it goes too far though?
Then you just have to hold the door shut while you're driving it. Comes back down quite a lot, that.
I can go a bit more if you want. Yeah, that's loose. Oh yeah, perfect now. I wouldn't say it's perfect. Well, I mean the line there. The line there is. I mean it's still stuck out a bit. Yeah. So the clip's broken off that. We need to get a new one, don't we, ideally?
I think so, yeah.
Then it would need painting.
But then it is flush to the actual hinge thing, look. Yeah. It is flush now, look. There's no gap underneath there, but it's still out.
1 out of 2 is not bad, because that now is perfect.
The gap's gone at the top of the seal, there's a little gap there, wasn't there?
Yeah.
And then it's stuck out here, but that's mint, that.
Alright, Sean, sorted it. Cheers, Sean.
So that, do you know what's amazing though? That one little wire, that one, like, what, 5-6 mil of wire is causing 3 or 4 faults on the boot.
But it's the beeping that's more annoying.
Yeah, when you start it up in the morning, it goes beep, shows you a fault, beep, another fault, beep, another fault. There's like 7 or 8 of them before you're halfway down the road whilst it's still telling you what's wrong with it.
So when the exhaust starts up on a cold start, you're annoying your neighbours. The inside is annoying you, so it's just annoying everyone,
Just
isn't it?
annoying everybody, yeah. Oh. Mate, I've literally give you the key to this, you've had it 30 seconds. You're breaking it.
Before we left.
I know, it's wet now as well, isn't it? Look, he doesn't know his own strength there, see that? Literally just touching it and pushing it back. I've consolidated my certificates together and I've come up with the reason as to why this has happened. Bearing in mind, I've not looked at this, can't see, but there's a guard behind the disc, like one of them metal circle things, not the disc, the bit behind it. I reckon it's like dislodged or moved behind the disc and now it's catching the back of the disc. That's what I reckon it is.
The brake pads are stuck on.
Stuck on, do you reckon?
A little bit. I've actually got brand new tyres for this, don't I? We just need to put them on.
Them back ones look like slicks.
Oh, they're still legal.
Yeah, they sound them. So
They're still legal now, surely.
yeah.
Tabby said they're legal.
Definitely not legal then.
Just checking that
So
all the
usually when you start it, it goes beep, lights.
now just got the headlight one.
Yeah, headlight fault and the brake one usually pops up.
Yeah, so I haven't got that now.
Yes!
Watch the hole, right, when I turn it, watch the level of crap that just kind of...
More importantly,
You were right.
I was right.
And I was wrong.
win?
I must have consolidated the wrong load of certificates when I come up with my theory on what was up with it.
You didn't guess it enough. It's just a guess, isn't it?
It is just a guess.
You used too much technical information.
I'm going to make paper airplanes out of them certificates. Fuck them off.
Forget that, right? What you can do is see if it's decatted.
Secondary decat, is it?
Yeah, he said it was a secondary decat, so I bet that's that. Been chopped
So it's
out
definitely
there.
been done, yeah?
Secondary one, yeah.
What have I found?
Is that a crack?
Well, it was, but somebody's patched it up with metal and then powder coated over it. That's bad, that. Really bad.
Well, it's a good job we're getting different wheels for it.
Yeah, you're going to need them. Somebody offered us £2 for them wheels, you can have them. Talk to us.
About what?
Your channel?
You put me on the spot.
Yeah, how many subscribers have you got now?
10.3k.
Well done.
Just like to say, the beard's getting good, mate.
It is.
Don't ever shave it off. Don't ever shave it off, mate.
It looks like a proper shit band member though, doesn't he, with that Parker on?
You're catching up to this.
Yeah.
So back to the RS4. Hopefully this won't give us any problems.
This is the near side front light level sensor. I think, is the one offside rear as well?
No.
Oh, near side rear. There's one here as well somewhere. You see that? So that's the rear light level sensor.
Yeah.
But am I right in saying it knows where the car, where it's sitting, so it knows then where to position the headlights when it starts?
Yeah.
So how do we know it's the front one that's gone?
Well, someone plugged the thing in and it said it was that sensor. It was like a short on that sensor, yeah, so it was that one. Well, that's it, that's all the faults we've got. Happy days. Down to one. We are down to one.
Down to one?
From 6, I think.
Okay.
We're not doing bad there, are we?
Johnny's going to finish that brake thing now. He'll fix that, no problem.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
But what we fixed on this is giving us back on that one. Don't you think?
Yeah,
Because
it is.
every time we go over to Tabby,
It's like, it needs this.
it's just more
it needs
expense.
this.
More expense.
Needs this, yeah.
You want to stop pointing at stuff and asking if it's new because you're upset about your purchase?
Well, I thought these might have been new, but Tabby said they're all corroded. And I said, is that new? And he said no. What about the suspensions? I reckon if we would have got one like 20 grand, 25 grand,
Yeah.
he'll still have all the same problems.
It could have done, yeah, you never know. We said that about that though, didn't we?
Yeah, but that's the thing, you could have got an 80,000 mile one of them. They've all got the same problems.
Exactly.
Just the mileage, so you might as well buy a cheaper one, do all the brakes,
Yeah.
fix it all up, do all the stuff you need to do, and
Yeah.
then you know you've got a mint one. So your missus said, don't mention it on the videos anymore. But I'm just thinking, your missus has definitely had a go at this.
Yeah, she has. This is what she does. She takes chunks out of tyre sidewalls. Go on, Johnny.
So we found the pad wear sensor wire where it's looped has broken the wiring. So we've just made
A new padwear sensing cable tied it up.
just to stop it flapping about.
Okay.
That's it, all clear.
No more faults.
There you go, stop you moaning now.
Yeah, it will. And you were saying you heard that beep in your sleep.
Oh, it was audible beep. The only problem we've got is that little thing there.
Over there now.
Let's go and see where Tabby's up
Come
to.
on then.
So the RS4's done, there's nothing wrong with that.
Mint now.
But because we are going to Anglesey, that's been bodged up really. It needed the brakes doing and everything
Tabby is
properly.
not going to appreciate you saying it's been punched up.
Well, it is a little bit, and it wouldn't have done that normally.
No.
So it's not the normal practice, but it'll do us for the weekend.
Yeah.
And that's the main thing.
It will.
So this is the end of the. Hey, the RS4, they are nice looking cars. So.
It's got R888s. I know the R888s on.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Are they 4-wheel drive this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
230 horsepower, manual, 230.
260.
Hang on, shall we? Obviously, professionals. We know everything.
Yeah.
1.6. Yeah, 257 horsepower.
Right, so I got the 262 of PS.
BPS, yeah.
Right, so it's not bad.
The thing that I can't quite get right. How much are these now? 30,
Well,
34, 35 grand
They're only 31 new for a circuit pack one.
for a Toyota Yaris though. That's obscene.
If I got offered one at the actual 31 grand for a brand new one, I'd probably buy one.
Really? 30 bags?
Yeah. So what we was saying before we rudely interrupted ourselves, the Merc's sort of like, okay, we'll bring it back next week. We're just going to change the discs and pads all round. I think it's the best thing. It's going to be a few £1,000.
Well, it needs new shoes and clips and springs and stuff as well.
But you could have bought one of them with low mileage, and it would have been the disc needed doing anyway.
Are you trying to justify this to yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
So as usual,
In true Evil GT style.
thank you for watching. subscribe to us. See you later, Lisa. See you, Johnny. See you, Neil.
See ya.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.
And we'll see you on the next video.
We will.
The next video might be the Anglesey video.
Yeah, it should be.
So,
Drift Matsuri.
See you there.
Ta-ra.